I don't have a good excuse, Your Honor. I don't have a good one. And I've never done anything like this before.
You are minimizing your behavior. You are not accepting any of the stuff that you've done. You drank when you weren't supposed to drink. You didn't make it 10 days from the time of the arraignment that could come in that.
I don't want to minimize any of it, and that's why I don't want to give any excuses. I don't want to minimize it. Please, I don't have anyone to take care of my kids. Please, Judge, please.
Who would have been taking care of your kids as you killed yourself in the act?
And that, folks, is the mic drop question. Judges often cut through excuses with brutal logic like this. How can she argue back when the risk was literally life or death? Do you think this line alone should have ended the whole debate?
Yes.
Yes. Your Honor, I did go over that with Ms. Kresnik, and she was aware of it, Your Honor. She had already been in communication with community corrections. She's taking it extremely seriously, Judge. I explained her options, and she wishes to admit to the violations, and then I could say some words on her behalf in regards to what the court may do.
All right. She admits to the violation. Go ahead. What do you want to say about this? Because that's a rather high level.
It is, Judge. Fully recognize that. And as you can tell, Ms. Kresnik's taking this extremely seriously. She understands the court's concern here and the serious nature of it. What I was suggesting for the court to consider, as noted in the bond violation report, she's on a sober link. I'm asking the court to consider having her fitted with a scram tether.
I want to know what happened. You missed the violation. I want to know why this happened.
Sure. Ms. Kresnik, you want to go ahead and address that with the judge?
Which portion?
I want to know what happened. Why did I have a positive test?
It really sounds really stupid. I was at a barbecue and my son gave me a slush and I didn't know that there was anything in it. I know now, and I couldn't tell, probably because I've been so used to just drinking things. I don't have a good excuse, Your Honor. I don't have a good one. It's a poor one, and I told Miss Wild, and I didn't. I don't have an excuse. I just don't have one. I don't have an excuse. It's completely my fault and my responsibility.
Oh, certainly is. But I'm having a hard time believing that it was just one drink. One drink?
Notice how quickly the attorney pushes for damage control. When a client admits this fast, it usually means the evidence is airtight. But admitting doesn't always mean mercy. Sometimes it just sets the stage for Hammer to drop.
You can think about what you want to tell me.
Alright, so she just headed back into the breakout room with her attorney, and I'm honestly curious what excuse they're about to cook up. Because right now, the story she's told so far does not make any sense at all to me. If your probation terms are crystal clear, don't drink, don't use, and then you're back here in 10 days because you drank, there's really just no way to spin that. And Judge Simpson already looks like he's over it too, so there's really no point. And when a judge gives you that kind of energy, it usually means they're just waiting for you to dig yourself deeper. I really don't know what her lawyer's going to pull out of the hat here, but if it's anything like the last excuse, this is about to get embarrassing. Let's just be real. No judge is buying the oops, it just happened defense when your BAC says otherwise. And like I've said many times, probation isn't a suggestion. It's a deal you agreed to. Break it this fast and the court has no reason to trust you again, so do you think your lawyer will actually come up with something convincing here? Or is this about to crash and burn? Because I already know my bet.
James Gallagher, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Ms. Kresnik. And Ms. Kresnik, if you could please state your name for the judge.
Sure, Michelle Kresnik. I'm having a hard time hearing. My volume's all the way up, so I keep putting the phone to my ear.
Okay.
And Judge, I did have some further discussion with her. I think she does have some additional information for the court.
Probably thought so. Ma'am, what do you want to tell me?
I did suspect there was something in there.
And you kept drinking?
Also, I'm sorry?
Go ahead.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Oh, go ahead. I'll let you finish.
I also wanted to tell you that after this happened back in November, I did go to my doctor and I asked for something to help be better. Obviously, I know that There's consequences to what I did, but I want to be better, not only just to not be in trouble, but I wanted to be better for myself and for my kids, so I did get a prescription for naltrexone to curb any cravings or anything like that. So I have been taking that since November, and I have been attending AA meetings with my girlfriend down the street, so I have been proactively trying to be better with all of those things. I have started a new job just recently, and I've never done anything like this before, and I'm really
Seriously? Tell me why I should send you to jail.
Because I am so very sorry, and I don't want to have anything to drink. I don't want to have anything, and I'm very committed to this sobriety and to being a better person. Not, like I said, not just because I'm afraid of getting in trouble, even though I am, but I proactively want to be better for myself. And it really is something that I am taking very seriously.
So,
Kids,
if that's true, why did the 16th even happen?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
If it's true you're taking all of this seriously, why on the 16th did this incident happen?
I wish I had a good excuse for it. I just don't. I don't want to excuse any of that behavior. I don't want to make any excuses for it. Just that it is not going to happen again. I can't make any sort of excuse. I can only just beg for some mercy.
Seriously? You know, the problem is, you had a chance to... Just so we understand what happened here, you correct me if any of it's wrong.
Sure.
So on the 16th, into the evening, you blow a .08. You're then supposed to retest every 15 minutes. You didn't retest. Then even after that, I mean, at that point, quite frankly, Mr. President, this is the part that bothers me. You know you're caught. And then they ask you to come in for an ECG, and you don't show up. So I'm having a tough time believing that you're committed to anything.
I understand that. I understand how the optics look on it. I really do. I really do. I've never been in trouble before. I don't do these. I can't see anybody.
What do you mean you can't see anybody?
Oh, now I can see you. The screen went black.
Tell you something, ma'am. I'm just going to try to make this as clear as I can.
Now, 2 spiked slushies from your kid? Come on. This excuse is so bad it almost guarantees the judge won't trust her again. What do you guys think worst excuse ever, or have you heard crazier in court?
We will be monitoring you 24/7.
Understood. Sir, I just
Going to give you 5 minutes. I'm sorry?
I just started a job on Monday. I lose my job.
6 p.m. today.
Understood, Judge.
This matter will turn over.
Please, I don't have anyone to take care of my kids. Please, Josh, please. Please.
So, who would have been taking care of your kids as you killed yourself in the accident?
Oh,
Adjourns out to 5/18/2022, 9 a.m., 6 p.m. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
3 days in jail, that's what she got. Honestly, that's not much considering how she completely disrespected the court and ignored her probation term. What makes it even worse is she tried to drag her own kid into this. saying he gave her the drink, which might be one of the dumbest excuses I've ever heard. I mean, whether that was her idea or her attorney's, I mean, it was just pathetic. And it was just the way she acted, smiling at certain points like this was a joke. Just showed she hasn't taken this seriously at all. Probation was supposed to be a lifeline for her, but she threw it away literally instantly. Cliff Simpson here gave her a short jail stint as a warning shot. It's only going to get longer next time. That's how violations work. I mean, they just stack up, and it gets real ugly fast. Yeah, guys, do you think 3 days was enough to make a point here? Or should she have gotten more time? Thank you so much for watching, guys.
Classic judge move. Give her time to think and come back with the truth. Translation. He doesn't buy her story, and he's giving her one last chance to come clean before he lowers the boom.